Simply put, Emma enrolls prospective students in your online degree programs. For prospective students, it's like having your admissions staff in the palm of your hands 24/7, 365 days a year. Emma is a powerful patent-pending enrollment management tool proven to increase new student matriculations while providing you never-before-seen analytics. Emma delivers unprecedented prospect engagement and institutional value. With Emma, potential students are guided with decision-making arrays that have been specifically identified through years of experience and research in the online education marketplace. Using AI, Emma engages and astutely directs users down their own individual and customized pathway towards enrollment. Just as important, Emma re-engages users and augments your CRM with well-designed messaging that is delivered in unique and innovative ways, such as in-app messaging and mobile alert notifications. Messages are smart, targeted, and focused on solving user questions and needs precisely at the right time. Let's take a look at how Emma works. Emma guides and informs from start to finish. The dashboard offers a message center, a support tab, frequently asked questions, and the ability to connect directly to your staff through click-to-call features. Users enjoy comprehensive program details configured for easy comparison, including required courses and degree plans. While this information can take some searching on traditional websites, Emma serves it up immediately. Through her multifaceted artificial intelligence, Emma conducts a prospective student interview on your behalf. The interview is a personal, simplified process stepping users through degree outcomes, employment outlook, and earnings potential, as well as tuition, costs, and steps to discover program funding options. With Emma, you even learn of your users' goals and motivations for returning to school. These processes are designed specifically at the program level. They work to qualify your prospects and create enrollment-ready applicants for your degree programs. Emma secures the confidence of prospective students, confidence that translates to commitment. As a user's prior education and jobbing experiences are cross-matched to program requirements, a sense of self-assurance is instilled. If a user feels there is a fit, prompts within Emma guide them through start dates and commitment questions. They are then invited to begin the application submission process. This gives you sound applicants committed to enrolling in a program if accepted. Some users do not move forward at this point with an application for admission. If they don't, Emma learns why, allowing you to understand the reasons for disengagement and equipping you with key data points and knowledge for use in tailoring future experiences. If a user pauses at any point during the process, Emma re-engages with in-app messages and alert notifications. For example, if a user stops interacting with Emma on the earnings page, Emma prompts with a question or relevant information regarding earning potential. This way, users who may be reluctant to ask questions can be given the assistance they need to move forward and re-engage in the enrollment process. This is a good time to bring up one of Emma's key advantages and a major part of the revolutionary value in the positioning and marketing of your online programs. With traditional enrollment processes, you learn about prospective students at the point of an inquiry. You may not hear from them again until they submit an application, or they may vanish completely. Emma maintains the connection, providing you with crucial data and analytics at minute steps throughout the process from inquiry to sitting in class. As users move forward, Emma presents your application for admission and related institutional forms in a step-by-step easy process where users answer questions, provide necessary documentation, and reaffirm their commitment to enroll. After application submission, Emma continues to engage and nurture your applicants with the status of their application and interactive components post-application, including discovery of what to expect their first week of class. They're also guided through completing new student orientation and are encouraged to finalize financing and enrollment commitments. Your prospective students are taken by the hand and inspired every step of the way in a mobile environment that is available to them 24/7. The data and insights you gain with Emma offer a never-before-seen look into the exact moments controlling the prospect journey from beginning to end. This allows your school to cost-effectively meet and exceed enrollment targets. Take the lead in prospect engagement and bring your school to the top of the class with Emma today. Contact Perdea Education for more details.